Choose a career in surgery, with these interesting facts about this ever-evolving medical field. Why should you choose to become a surgeon in India, where 2/3 of the population is still concentrated in rural areas where they cannot access these services and professionals? This creates impact. MBBS, followed by an MS degree in general surgery, is an essential requirement to practice as a surgeon from any university recognized by the Indian Medical Council. Hereby some of the entrance exams for MS are as follows. An alternative to an MS degree, membership in the Royal College of Surgeons. After MBBS, Mrcs is the easiest pathway to becoming a surgeon in India. Various disciplines in the field of surgery. Future of surgery. Robotic surgery aids other surgeons and technicians in completing complex surgeries with their expertise. Tissue engineering and regenerative medicine incorporates research on self-healing or with the help of foreign biological material to recreate cells and rebuild tissues and organs. Why should you choose Texila American University to become a surgeon in India? Here are salient features of our program. Enroll Master of Surgery with Mrcs training program with Texila. Become a surgeon in India.